व्यायामात् लभते स्वास्थ्यं दीर्घायुष्यं बलं सुखम आरोग्यम परमम भाग्यम स्वस्थयम सर्वार्थ sadhanam. Meaning, exercise leads to health, long life, strength, and happiness. Being healthy is ultimate destiny, and all other actions are powered by health.
It is a great honor for us to have you here. And she's so I'll just briefly tell you all about her. She's an yoga instructor and been practicing and teaching for over 4 years. And she's been exemplary and excellent at styles of yoga like Hatha, Ashtanga, dynamic flow to her credit. And we're privileged to have you here with us this beautiful morning. And without any further ado, we'd like to start with us.
I'm very excited and I'm really looking forward. There's a lot of young people in the house. So it's my job to sort of inspire the young people to kind of, generate interest in yoga. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do a few postures and a sequence that I'll show you. If you all can switch on the cameras just for me to see your face, that'll really be nice. Like if you all are comfortable. Okay. So anyway, so it's really important to understand three aspects of what we're going to be focusing on today, right? So the body, the mind, and the breath. So you have these three things. You have the body, the mind, and the breath. And what yoga helps in doing is that it kind of generates synchronicity between the body, the mind, and the breath. So your body is in sync with your mind, it's in sync with your breath. When these three things start functioning together, your vitality increases, your internal system starts functioning actively, and there's just more space in your head for you to think more creatively, which I'm sure is, it's like it academically must be really challenging at times, to come up with creative projects and things like that. So this is what we're going to be focusing on, right? So I'm sure you all have your yoga mat with you, and then we'll quickly get started, right? So just try and stay with me 100%. Listen to my instructions, okay? Not only physically, but also mentally and energetically, okay? And smile, and it's going to be really chill, super fun session, okay? So we'll get started. Okay, so the next posture is known as Vrikshasana. What we're going to do is we're going to grab the foot, the right foot, okay, raise it as high as possible. Even if it's here, it's completely fine. Okay, make sure that you're respecting your limitations. So don't push too much, okay, and just place it on the opposite thigh. This is Vrikshasana, and point the toes for stability. Right? Try this.
Yeah. Do you have bones in your body?
Sorry.
So complicated. Do you have bones in your body?
No, I mean it's been a while now. It just yeah, no, I was really stiff in the beginning too, so I completely understand the initial struggle that
It's really
comes
good
with
to
it.
see you doing that, but I'm not sure whether I can do it or not.
Yeah, yeah, no, just try. So even if your leg is here, somewhere it's fine. You don't have to bring it all the way up. That comes up when the glutes start opening.
Okay.
So even if it's somewhere here, it's completely fine.
Okay. Yeah, let's give a try with you.
Okay. Now you all can face me. We're going to do some balancing postures. Okay. So we're going to do the Ekpadasana series. I want you all to lift the right foot up and place it on the opposite thigh. It's really important to focus on a point. Make sure that you're focusing. And once you're comfortable here, join your palms in the center. Again, keep tucking the tailbone in. Don't relax. Okay, make sure body awareness is really important. So whatever little bit of movement you're doing, make sure your mind is completely in it. Once you get the balance, slowly take the hands up and I really do hope that you all were able to take something away from this. You know, it seems very like I understand yoga is something that's not as exciting, or it doesn't seem to be that exciting or adventurous, but when you practice a particular style and when you do these postures, you get into the idea is to get into a meditative state of mind. You know, meditative state of mind is where you lose your sense of time. You're so driven to do something. It could be anything. It could be cycling or dancing or horse riding or even, I don't know, sitting in the toilet for hours. It could.
Hi, Disha. We are General Secretary of the Student Council at Rachna Sansad. Um, it was great. So I'm sorry that I joined in the second half because I was caught up by a few last minute events. But I joined in the second half and I saw you do a few postures. And I did them and I felt quite relaxed. I mean, I did yoga for the first time after school. So Mill and I were in the same school and we did yoga in school. And I think that was 4 years ago. So it felt really great, very relaxing, especially the shavasana in the end. And yeah, I mean, it was just fun. And yeah, like just thank you for being a part of today's session and like coming and, encouraging all of us to do some yoga today. Thank you so much.
Hi, Disha. First of all, thanks for starting our new year with very motivative and session. So I hope until this point of my life, I have never learned a yoga or never been doing yoga at all. But today, I am sure that today I have started this year, so I'll try to learn the yoga and take it to the next level for myself. So thank you so much for it. And yeah, I have tried something not like all of you can do it. I don't know how much I can do it, but I have done whatever I can do it. But yeah, I have enjoyed it, and thank you so much for this new learning today. So yeah, happy to doing this with all of you, all my students.
Thank you,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Council, for arranging this session.
I can see more
Thank
faces now. Yeah, it's been a pleasure. I'm just all about going for it, whatever inspires you. This is just yoga is nothing but it's just being in sync with yourself. Whatever moves you. Spirituality is everything about what drives your spirit. What moves you. It could be design, it could be anything, it could be as simple as breathing. As long as you're in alignment with yourself, that's what it's all about. This is just one aspect of, doing postures and being aware of your muscle groups and all of that. But at the end of the day, it's just to kind of um, get you going with your life ahead. So I wish you all the best for your projects and academics and all the submissions and God knows what. So yeah, take care of yourself, and I hope I see you all again maybe in the future if we do get a chance to continue this.
So
Definitely will.
you. So
Okay.
next time I would like you coming to our college physically and doing this with all of us.
Yeah, I'd love that. It'd be a pleasure. It'd be awesome. Yeah.
I think it'll be more effective and interactive, and plus we won't have
Yes.
the option to switch off our cameras. So yeah,
Yeah.
we would definitely want you for another session again at our college or anything. We just make sure that you're there again with us, because this was an amazing session and like a pleasant morning to start off a Monday with. So yeah, let's do it again. Thank you so much for being
Thank
here
you.
with us.
Thank you for tuning in, guys. Thank you.
Being with us on the first day of the new year. So happy Diwali and a very happy new year to
Happy
you.
Diwali. Yes.